Birmingham? More canals than Venice. And you're stuck following a stranger with an umbrella. 20 minutes at the Bullring. Rushed through the Jewellery Quarter. A guy checking their watch while you're still reading the plaque. Uvamai's Birmingham self-guided audio tour puts the city's full story in your hands. Grand civic squares, hidden canal quarters, centuries of reinvention. For just $6, your access link lands straight in your inbox. A full audio guide and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group. No rush. Just Birmingham at your pace. Stand in Victoria Square beneath the Iron Man. Then step into the Roman columned grandeur of Town Hall. Wander the pre-Raphaelite masterpieces at the Museum and Art Gallery and climb the stacked rotundas of the Library of Birmingham. Trace the canals through Gas Street Basin, browse centuries of craft in the Jewellery Quarter, and end among the street art of the Custard Factory. Every landmark, its own story, told exactly when you're standing there to hear it. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Birmingham, not just photograph it. $6. Birmingham's squares, canals, and hidden quarters. Your pace. Your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com